You've probably seen our commercials for non-surgical spinal decompression. We now have a similar technology for people with chronic knee problems. If you've been told by a doctor you need a knee replacement, if you've gone for cortisone shots, if you've gone for physical therapy, if you're taking medications and still struggling, this could be the answer for you. We offer multiple, all-natural, non-invasive treatments based on medical research for chronic knee pain that helps pull synovial fluid back into your knee. Synovial fluid has growth factors which help facilitate your cartilage, your meniscus, or your ligaments repair themselves. It may help you avoid medications and costly knee surgeries and their possible side effects. This treatment is so gentle, most people fall asleep. We can look at a recent X-ray or MRI and tell you if we think we can help you or not. Pick up the phone today and set up a no-charge consultation to see if you're a candidate for this exciting technology. Let us help you get your life back.